Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily DVAR, and here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Monday, the 4th day of January. Here we go. Today's halacha more about Havdalah. We told you that after you finish Shalosh Seudos, the last meal of Shabbos, there should be no eating and or drinking up until the time that you recite Havdalah. Now, does this apply to children under bar or bas mitzvah also? The answer basically is no. They are allowed to eat if they really have to. It's just that for chinuch purposes, people try to train their children to get used to what they're going to do as adults. So technically they are allowed to eat if they're hungry before Havdalah, but we would want to encourage them not to. So these laws pretty much apply to men and ladies. They both don't eat until after Havdalah. And now this additional halacha. You know that usually we ask the man of the house, or any older brother of the house, anybody bar mitzvah age, to recite the Havdalah for the family. Technically, if a lady finds that there are no men in the house to say Havdalah for her, she can recite Havdalah for herself if necessary. There are people in those situations sometimes who call someone and listen to Havdalah on the phone. That's really kind of questionable, because there are some rabbis who say that you can't fulfill the mitzvah of the really hearing the bracha and answering amen over, digitally. It's not really like being there. So if you really feel that you have to do that, and you really have the choice, you're a lady who lives alone at home, it might be better for you to say Havdalah on your own. Speak to your rabbi about what he recommends for you. That's the bottom line. Now, a lot of you know that in Marav, in the evening service on Saturday night, we do recite Atachan Antanu, which is kind of like a Havdalah. So once you've said that, then can you eat? The general answer to that is no. You still have to wait until after you recite the Havdalah over wine. If you're having trouble getting wine or grape juice or any acceptable beverage, could be a beer if necessary, but if you can't get any of those and you feel like you're going to only have a chance at getting those drinks on Sunday morning, technically you should wait until Sunday morning. Make Havdalah when you get the first chance at wine, grape juice, or beer, or something like that. Some rabbis allow orange juice, so again, you would speak to your rabbi about that. But no eating until after Havdalah. If it's going to take days, then you don't have to wait that long. If it goes beyond Sunday afternoon, you don't have to keep fasting and fasting and fasting. But you are supposed to try to wait until after Havdalah. So if you're in a real jam situation, call your rabbi before fasting for 2 days. Thanks for logging on, and log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.